In this video, I will be showing you how you can connect your product with your music page. Okay, so it's not that hard, it's very easy. Click on all products. So it will take you to this page and we can see that we have only one product. So let's change the screen option, remove the featured tags and date with thumbnails. Now we can see a post ID, name, SKU, stock, price and category. Okay, so now we can try to find our album release. So this is the page where we have created multiple music. Now let's go down. Now see, we have something called as track by link and it says we need to enter WooCommerce product ID. So the WooCommerce product ID is the post ID. You can copy it and paste it, and then it asks like we can add to download, and that's it. We can just copy this again, add this, and also we can say like buy. Okay, so now let's try to update this page and let's view this page. Now we can play the music like the way we played earlier, but now we also have an option to buy this. If we click on buy now, we can see the product has been sent to the cart. Click on view cart and the product is in the cart. See, now you just saw that the music page was able to convert that music into a product, and now we can go to checkout and we can purchase it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to integrate payment gateways like PayPal and other payment gateways. Thank you.